Antichrist shows up, not even a moment of peace. Yet he's promised peace. He's negotiated peace. But it's not peace. Peace is taken from the earth. And that they should kill one another. And there was given unto him a great sword. That's this one that sat on the red horse. Don't be here after the rapture of the church. Make up your mind. You are not going to be here. At the sounding of the trumpet, you are checking out. You're checking out. You are checking out. First flight, brother, sister. First flight. First flight. First flight.
Log on to the Pastor Chris Digital Library app now to watch full teachings on the coming of the Lord and how to prepare for His return. Pastor Chris Digital Library, bringing you the Word easier and faster.